We manufacture in region for region. Certainly we have a global supply chain, but we try to make sure we have the capabilities in region for region. That helped us during COVID, quite frankly, quite a bit. And we expect that's going to help us going forward. And the reason we do that is, by and large, to make sure that we can deliver to the customer as effectively as we can. So that I think gives, as we look over the next 5 or so years, we'll rationalize that footprint probably further, just centered on how do we deliver to the customer in that region most effectively. So it's a challenge, right? Some of the things we're dealing with, tariffs, certainly some cost elements, but over time, we think we're in a pretty good place, and I think we got plans to help us even get better. But it is that in region for region is the foundation of that.